0.75, go down 0.75. On the back, it is 1 inch, 0.75, 0.25. Now, just connect. This is the starting point. Starting point 75, 25, 75 is one connection. Try to find out from your cord. Okay, play around with your cord. So once you find out it's connected, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 points. You see, it's connected already. Now this is the position of your French cord. Just play around to connect that 4 points, and then reverse from armpit. From this point, just connect on the line that you created already. That's the front. It's connected now. Now go to the back. It's the back area. So starting point 1 inch 75. It's one connection. Means it's 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Play around. Connect. Now it's connected now. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3. It's 3 points. Now on this area, modify. It's connected now. Okay, you got it?